One of the other features that we would like to show you guys is our new repair package feature. So this is repair package. It's a module that's inside of Sun. Once you click on this, what it's going to do is this helps your blueprinters, it helps your estimators do their documentation, and it helps speed up that process as well. Instead of them having to do individual searches one by one after they create their estimate in CCC or Mitchell or in Autotext, everybody typically would have to go through into a repair product and do search for one by one for everything that you would be needing. So what we've done is we actually integrate with those systems, and so we're able to pull over all of your estimates directly out of the system. And all you have to do is find what vehicle it is that you would like to start adding some information on. You can see all the part numbers, all the estimate description that you have on there. You can see if there's any supplements that you've done, and it's going to allow you, based off the part number, it's going to tell you if we have data for you. So once you picked and once you've been able to find the information that you want data for, and just because we don't have a check mark for it doesn't mean that we don't have data, it just means that we weren't able to pick up either the OEM part number wasn't used or there was no part number, as in this case. So in some cases, there are radiator support here, they didn't put a part in there, but it still shows that we have information for you. So once you finish that, next thing that you do is click on next steps here. And instead of you having to go through again and search individually and find each procedure, each piece of information you want, we basically serve you up a platter. And we tell you this is all the information we have for the grill that you put in there. So your specifications, your remove and replace, wiring diagrams, component locations. And all you have to do is click on the green check mark if you want it on there, or if you don't want that information, all you can do is just go ahead and uncheck that as well. So this will allow you to speed up your documentation process. You can use this to give to your technicians in the back. They can either PDF it or they can actually get to the information directly from the site itself. You can also print this off and PDF it and send it over to your to the insurance company to support your documentation and your estimate. And what that would end up looking like is once you've completed that, you're going to get one of these right here that says View Package. You can click on this, and again, your technicians in the back have access to this as well. There we go. Once that's loaded up, it's going to bring up the vehicle information that you have in your estimating system, the date that those procedures were pulled. It's going to have a reference number, which you can customize and set however you want to. And then we have this interactive table of contents. So this table of contents, anything in our product that is blue is a hyperlink. So whatever procedure, whatever information that you need, all you have to do is click on it, and it's going to take you right there to that procedure, to that part information, and you can walk through, complete your procedure. Everything that you need to be done will be done right there. As soon as you're done with that, you can continue to scroll to the next procedure, or you can come back up to the table of contents, and you can select whatever the next item is that you want to move on to. So we can click right here, and you can see that it automatically jumps right to that next component for you. This helps save a lot of time, a lot of research time, and helps speed up that process because, as we know, one of the most difficult things to get paid for is your time, and this is what we're trying to help out with.